Hello guys, my name is Emmanuel Bambefa. I'm just here to thank Saad Ali for the Forex Beginners Academy. It has done wonders in how I see the market and how I view my chart, especially the AUD USD. I can't believe it because every other trade or every other lessons I've taken didn't do this much, especially the Forex group on Facebook. Like, he's so quick to reply to your post and show you where you go wrong. The other day he corrected me on how to draw a trend line, and I saw it and I adjusted, and I was glad that somebody caught it and pointed it out for me. I'm so happy to be part of this group. You're like the first and only profitable trader that takes his time to teach others. Most people just give you videos and that's it. I want to again thank you for teaching me how to draw support and resistance line, how to use the Fibonacci correctly, how to use the moving average, the trend lines and channels, and how to get my mindset right. Thank you so much. I want to thank you for giving me the cheat sheets on candlestick pattern. That shit is crazy, man. Very crazy. Thank you so much. If you're not in this Forex group, you're missing a lot. I'm telling you, it's 100% free and 1,000% more valuable than any other groups that you've paid for. 1,000%. It's crazy, man. Thank you. Thank you very much.